Evening. Welcome back to the Congo Hour. I really am having fun. I hate I guess the Trippy had his accident, but it does give me more time on TV. He's going crazy sitting home and can't get out and looking at all the fun outside. So I look forward to him getting back here and letting me stay home and watch football. Tonight we have some real great folks that's talking about and doing some great things. We were trying to get everybody in tonight, so I'm not going to elaborate too much, but I'm going to have them introduce themselves and explain to you exactly why they're here.
Well, thank you for having me, Mr. Congo, on your show. And Trippy, I hope you get well, and we miss you. But I'm Dr. Anderson. I'm the Executive Director of TOVA Community Health, and we're here to let the community know that we're hosting our 6th annual James Fawcett III 5K Run Walk and 1 Mile Walk, which will be held on Saturday, September the 30th at Brandywine Park. Registration opens at 9 and the race begins at 10 a.m. And you can sign up on www.racestoRun.com. And if you can't sign up, you just can come down to the park and sign up. But I have 2 great people with me today, and that's Zia, who is the daughter of James Fawcett, who passed away when he was at the age of 44, and also his former wife, Shay Fawcett Robinson. So I'd like for them to share why we continue to do this and why it's important to increase sickle cell awareness, which is September is National Sickle Cell Awareness Month.
Great.
Dee, you want to talk about?
Yes. So my father, he lived and fought a good 44 years of his life. And also, he knew everybody in town, he knew everybody around Delaware, everywhere. So whenever you saw him, you said hi to him, that was him. So I believe if you knew him, you might as well come out and support. So yes.
Thank you. And I'm Shay Fawcett Robinson. James was my late husband, and this was a goal of his for many years, really to develop a walk or establish a walk to bring awareness for comprehensive care for adults in Delaware. Because during his time of, visiting different places, different hospitals and different doctors, he realized that some of the care was actually limited for adults. So that was one of the main focuses of doing the walk. And thanks to Trippy, hello Trippy, for partnering my late husband and Dr. Nina at the time back in 2011, I believe it was. And unfortunately, James didn't live to see the first walk, but Nina and I pressed on, and here we are at year 6, so we're very excited. So we're looking for everyone to come out and support. It's a great family event. We're going to have a marching band this year. We're going to have the moon bounce again, as like we always do. It's going to be food. We're going to also have several vendors where there's always music. So not only are you supporting a great cause, it's going to be a great family time. So if you don't want to walk, there is the 1 mile walk, but if you don't want to walk at all, just come out and stand on the sideline and support, cheer people on coming through, because it's a great opportunity to support a great cause.
Tell me, now, if you walk a mile, is there some contribution that folks have to associate that walk with, or it's just a walk?
Well, there is a cost. So the cost is $20. However, we always say, if there's a family of, who may not be able to afford to bring, if they have, multiple children, 3 or 4 children, and they can't afford it, we welcome that. We don't turn anyone away. So yeah, we do ask for a monetary donation, but if you can't do it, we won't turn you away. So, because we want everyone to come out and support. So,
Yes.
Well, I think it's great to you put it so lightly, but the whole
Yes.
attempt is to raise the funds
Absolutely.
for research
It is.
and things like that, and that's not free.
That's right.
Yes.
But
right.
you have to remember that you never know when it may affect you.
Absolutely.
Exactly.
And although we're sitting here now content,
Yes.
but wake up tomorrow morning having something. It doesn't have to be sickle cell.
Absolutely.
rarely turns out anything where there's some medical research possibilities or there's some need of funding that will take us to the next level
Yes.
of maybe saving someone's life.
Yes.
So I think it's a great effort, and I congratulate you all for taking the time. And let's go over this again. It starts September 30th, right?
Yes,
At what
correct.
time?
Registration opens at 9 and the race begins promptly at 10 a.m.
Yes.
Okay.
And if you can know where the Brandywine Zoo is, you will find us.
Okay.
Yes.
And where is your route?
It starts right up by the zoo, and then it's a course that goes around the park.
Okay.
So it's a 5K is 3.2 miles. So some people get turned away from that, but we also have a 1 mile walk. And then for those who aren't able to walk, you can just come down, bring your lawn chair, and come out and just enjoy the day.
And if you want to just contribute,
Yes. Absolutely.
you can. Is there any way to write a check to anybody, or
Yes.
how do you do that?
When you come down to the park, you can write a check to TOVA Community Health, Sickle Cell Outreach, or you can make a donation to P.O. Box 9663, Wilmington, Delaware 19809.
Sounds wonderful. I promise you I will be there.
Thank
Awesome.
you.
And
Awesome.
I will be sitting in one of those lawn chairs.
Okay.
And
We welcome that.
We'll have
I
you
need to
cheering
be
for
walking.
the people coming through the finish line.
Cheering,
How about
I'll
that?
be the biggest cheerleader there. But it's so, as a community, we need to learn how to partner in and
Yes,
be a
we do.
part of such a needed event.
Yes.
Yes.
And I just take off my hat to people like yourself who work so diligently where you understand because of how it has affected you.
Yes.
Yes.
And so I congratulate you for being so involved, and look for me in that lawn chair.
Absolutely.
we will.
We will. We will.
Anything else you want to say before we?
No, I just want to thank Trippy Congo because he actually introduced me to James.
Yes.
And like I said, it's been a great relationship that we had. I wish he could be here, but I'm so blessed that we're able to continue on his vision. So we need all the help and support we can get.
Okay.
Thank you.
Well,
Thank you.
stay tuned. We're going to take a quick break, and we'll be right back with another wonderful group that wants to share with you just what they're doing.
The annual James Fawcett III Sickle Cell Awareness 5K and 1 mile walk run. Registration will open promptly at 9 a.m. and the race will start at 10 a.m. sharp. Sickle cell disease is a lethal blood disorder that is oftentimes invisible and misunderstood. It can be quite painful and debilitating. Today, thanks to better management of the disease and research, people can now live a long quality of life. Proceeds from the annual Sickle Cell Awareness Walk will help to fund access to quality of care programs and research for this horrible disease. Please sponsor a team for this walk and consider walking yourself, or send a donation to the James Fawcett III Sickle Cell 5K Run Walk at P.O. Box 9663, Wilmington, Delaware 19809. For more information, go to www.races2run.com or to our Facebook page at TOVA Community Health, or call us. There will be free food, live music, beautiful trophies to overall male and female winners, plus the top 3 winners in each age group, along with the top team group sponsor. Come join TOVA for the annual James Fawcett III Sickle Cell 5K Run Walk on Saturday, 9 a.m. near the Brandywine Zoo, located at the Brandywine Park in Wilmington, Delaware. Find a way to participate or contribute.
Together, we can break the sickle cycle.
The annual James Fawcett III Sickle Cell Awareness 5K and 1 mile walk run. Registration will open promptly at 9 a.m. and the race will start at 10 a.m. sharp. Sickle cell disease is a lethal blood disorder that is oftentimes invisible and misunderstood. It can be quite painful and debilitating. Today, thanks to better management of the disease and research, people can now live a long quality of life. Proceeds from the annual Sickle Cell Awareness Walk will help to fund access to quality of care programs and research for this horrible disease. Please sponsor a team for this walk and consider walking yourself, or send a donation to the James Fawcett III Sickle Cell 5K Run Walk at P.O. Box 9663, Wilmington, Delaware 19809. For more information, go to www.races2run.com or to our Facebook page at TOVA Community Health, or call us. There will be free food, live music, beautiful trophies to overall male and female winners, plus the top 3 winners in each age group, along with the top team group sponsor. Come join TOVA for the annual James Fawcett III Sickle Cell 5K Run Walk on Saturday, 9 a.m. near the Brandywine Zoo, located at the Brandywine Park in Wilmington, Delaware. Find a way to participate or contribute.
Together, we can break the sickle cycle.